Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable bedtime mode on Apple Watch Series 11. To enable it manually, you have to press the side button on your Apple Watch to open the control center and then scroll down the items list until you find the focus icon, which looks like the crescent moon icon. Tap on it and then from the list of options select sleep. And this way you will enable bedtime mode manually. But if you want it to turn on automatically when you go to sleep, you have to open the apps list by pressing the digital crown and then scroll down to sleep app and set your schedule once you open it. Now to do that, you have to scroll down to the very last option and now tap on the bedtime, scroll down and until you reach the full schedule menu, and here switch this toggle to the right to enable it. Then tap on every day and to edit the schedule. If you tap on every day or any other value that you have right here, you'll be able to change the days active when you want your schedule to be active. Then scroll down and here you can change the wake up time by tapping on it, then selecting the one of the value that you want to change and then using your digital crown to change the value. Then tap OK. You can also enable an alarm, and at the bottom you can also set the bedtime just in the very same way that you set up the wake up time. And after that your device will go into the sleep mode or bedtime mode once you go to sleep, or basically once the bedtime begins. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.